Halwa is one thing which is simply must on all the special occasions, and with Baisakhi coming up, today I am sharing a very tasty halwa recipe which will take only 5 minutes of yours, and it will come out super tasty, super yummy. So let's quickly see how to prepare this very yummy, very tasty 5-minute quick halwa recipe today. To prepare this halwa, we need half to quarter cup of desi ghee, again half to quarter cup of sugar. Depending upon the sweetness desired, you can increase the quantity to 1 cup as well. Some dry fruits like cashew nuts, raisins, cardamom powder. Now you must be wondering what is the key ingredient of a halwa. So we'll be using 1 cup of this powder. What is this powder? This powder is made using rusk. So as you all know, these are rusk, which are also commonly called toast. These are made using semolina or suji. These are toasted rusk. So how do we use it? We can simply grind these rusk and prepare powder like this. Let me show you how I have prepared this powder. So now what you need to do is you need to simply break rusk in small pieces like this, and then we'll grind it. So friends, here you can see this is our rusk powder ready. Now let's head over to our kitchen. Firstly, in a pan we'll take 3/4 cup of water. Into this we'll add 3/4 cup of sugar, and now we need to melt sugar in water. We simply need to melt sugar. Do not form any one thread or two thread consistency. This is not the chashni or the sugar syrup. This is simple sugar water. I will also add few raisins in this water only. So while sugar is melting, let's start roasting. In a kadai, we'll heat 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. And now we'll fry cashew nuts. You can even fry almonds, raisins, or any other nuts which you want to add in your halwa. Friends, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. Once these are fried, then we'll remove it from the kadai. Now we'll add 2 more tablespoons of desi ghee in the same kadai, and we'll add our rusk powder. The advantage of using this powder is that we do not need to roast it for a long time. Unlike usual suji halwa, where we need to roast suji on low medium flame till it turns aromatic, and it takes a lot of time. So this is an instant halwa. We will just roast it for 5 to 7 minutes until it turns aromatic. So friends, here sugar is completely melted. Now we'll turn off the flame. Halwa is one thing which is generally made on all the special occasions, and with Baisakhi coming up, you should definitely try out this halwa. It's a quick instant 5-minute halwa. I've also shared Atta ka halwa and Suji ka halwa recipe on my channel. Do check it out. I will drop the links in the description box below. So friends, I am getting nice aroma of this roasted rusk powder. It's time to add our sugar water in it. And we will continue to move it. We'll add our cashew nuts. So we'll just keep on moving it for 1 to 2 more minutes. I will also add a pinch of cardamom powder for flavor. And friends, here you go. Your instant, really very quick 5-minute halwa is ready. Let's quickly serve it. It takes no time to prepare and least effort is required to prepare this instant rusk halwa. You can adjust the sweetness as per your taste because rusk is already sweet, so you can reduce down the amount of sugar we have added here. And finally, we'll garnish it with few melon seeds. That's about it. So friends, do try out this very yummy, very quick halwa recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching our today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.